Not every lumberjack is capable of cutting his own ladder, but with the desire, you can reach the top of any tree using this method. This is how a metal fence is cast manually. When you know your job well, you can even sometimes take a nap at your workplace. Precision isn't always the most important thing in cooking. Sometimes spectacle matters too. It's handy to have the skill of weaving palm leaves. You can make yourself a mat or even a roof for your house. That shark turned out to be unwelcome at this party, so the local security threw it out of the gathering. The driver of this excavator also took a cooking course on the side. It's satisfying to watch things fall or break sometimes. Breaking something skillfully is also an art, and sometimes you need to learn it. It's interesting how uniquely this excavator digs. It doesn't look like a swimming pool. Comment below. These builders are definitely on another level. It's almost scary to watch. And they still have to work. Before hitting the highway, it's essential to wash your truck. If you line up all the stones like dominoes, they will push each other precisely and end up in a single line. Wall cladding is needed not only for aesthetics, but also for protection against external elements like cold, wind, and sun. They say people judge a product by its packaging, and this guy is doing a great job with his task. If you're not satisfied with a regular flower bed, you can order one made of stone in Byzantine style. When processing an item on a machine, many different tools are used, all necessary for shaping various surfaces. In just a couple of months without cleaning, a pool can turn into a swamp and become overgrown with algae, so it needs periodic cleaning. Using laser cleaning, you can easily remove rust, paint layers, varnish, and other coatings or deposits, degrease surfaces, remove oxidation or dust deposits. Growing and harvesting pearls has been mastered on artificial pearl farms. Oil extraction is not an easy job for men in harsh climatic conditions. This guy seems to be very skilled in sauce making. To reach inaccessible places, these plasterers have to come up with clever poses. If women saw how wigs are made for them, they probably wouldn't wear them. Firefighting competitions help improve teen skills in battling fires. A designer mug hand-painted will always be an excellent gift for any occasion. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.